Hi guys, welcome to another episode of the Chili Tribe, and today we are going to be making homemade delicious tender moist vanilla cake. This is your girl Natalie and I'm going to be putting you through the recipe for today. Now first thing, we are going to be using margarine, and if you don't have margarine you can go ahead and just use butter, but the most important thing here is you want your butter to be at room temperature so that it's easy for you to really mix the butter and sugar together and they incorporate really fast. I'm just going to be using a cup of sugar. I really don't want it to be overly sweet, but if you have a sweet tooth you can go ahead and just add an extra cup of sugar, but for this recipe I'm just going to be using a cup of sugar for this recipe. So we want to cream this sugar and butter so it's light, it's fluffy, and it's pale in color. Now this is the color that we are looking for in our butter. As you can see, it's pale, it's fluffy, it's even doubled in size. So now it's time for us to add our eggs. Now we are using 3 eggs for this recipe. So we're just going to add the eggs one at a time, mixing until just combined. So it's time to add the dry mixture, alternating with the milk to the butter. Now you have to add the dry ingredients in 4 parts and the milk in 3 parts, starting with your baking powder, which you are going to be needing about a tablespoon of baking powder, and the flour you are going to be needing 2.5 cups of flour. So you are going to alternate, like I said earlier, in 4 parts and the milk in 3 parts. Now for the milk you are going to be needing 1 cup of milk. So you alternate the milk 3 times and the flour 4 times. Right before you add the milk, you want to scrape down the side of your bowl to make sure that everything really incorporates together before you add your final milk. So you want to preheat your oven, or already your oven should be preheated in like 180 degrees, and you need to get a pan ready. Either you buttered the pan or you placed a parchment paper on it, but for us we're just going to butter our pan and add our butter to a 10-inch pan and bake it. So you want to bake this for 30 to 50 minutes. Just insert a toothpick in it to make sure that it's ready, and when it's ready when there is no crumb in your toothpick. And voila, your cake is ready for you to enjoy. Thank you so much for joining us in this video. We would love to see your creation. Just tag us on Instagram, and so if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you get notified every time we drop a new video. Share with your family, your friends, like, comment. Thank you so much, and we'll see you again next time.